This morning, President Trump's asylum shutdown is facing its first major legal test. Yesterday, immigration advocacy groups filed a lawsuit challenging the Trump administration's policy of denying migrants asylum at the border. They allege the government is returning asylum seekers, quote, to countries where they face prosecution or torture without allowing them to invoke the protections Congress has provided. The White House responding, saying, quote, President Trump was given a resounding mandate to end the disregard and abuse of our immigration laws and secure our borders. Joining us now, Lee Gelernt, Deputy Director of the Immigrants' Rights Projects for the ACLU, one of the groups behind the lawsuit. Lee, it's always a pleasure to see you. I thank you for your time. So why is the ACLU suing the Trump administration over this specific policy?
Yeah, well, so this specific policy shuts down all asylum by any means. There is no way now to apply for asylum, whether at a port of entry, a legal port of entry, or between ports. That is patently unlawful. And so we and our partners have brought this lawsuit because the United States must have an asylum system. And I think there's two themes here. One is that there are going to be countless people sent back to danger. But the other theme is, what you've hit on, Jose, before, is a separation of powers question. What the president is doing is overriding what Congress has done, painstakingly done over the past 4 decades to build our asylum system, to make sure the United States has a place for people to apply for asylum, that we're acting consistently with international law, with the rest of the country, and fulfilling our commitment after World War II, never to send people back to danger without at least a screening.
And so, Lee, how is it that in our American history, it seems as though the executive has been almost unilaterally the one to define asylum or lack of it? I'm thinking, Trump's first administration, MPP, any number of things that they instituted, Title 41, and then under President Biden, the app, but also in many ways at the end of the administration, essentially shutting down ways that people could request asylum other than that app. Where is the role of the presidency, and where is the role and the responsibilities of Congress?
Right. Well, you're exactly right. The president has some authority in the immigration area and foreign affairs, but he cannot override express statutory prohibitions on sending people back to danger without a screening. And so that's why we've brought this lawsuit. The president is asserting authority that he does not have. And, Congress is sitting by silently now, but we are going to bring this case. The president is saying, well, he has a mandate. I don't think he has a mandate to send everyone back to persecution or torture. But regardless, he has to follow the law. He can't say, well, the American public want me to do this, so therefore I'm just going to violate Congress's wishes.
Lee Gelernt, thank you very much for being with us this afternoon.
Thanks for having me.